acrylic tube, heavy bit of metal, somewhere over here, ball bearing, and instructions. Well, they get a bit mathematical, but it's got quite pretty pictures of things, but we'll forget about the maths because it's complicated. It's better just to demonstrate this extraordinary thing they call the atomic trampoline. To assemble it, you merely put one on the other. So just turn this up like this. And now we're ready. One normal ball bearing, about 1/4 inch diameter, and drop it in, as you'd expect. That's what they all do. So, take it out. All I have to do is just turn it over. There's a piece of disc there, quite thick, which has an extraordinary property. Quite extraordinary. Same ball bearing, same tube, same bit of metal, but no, it's a different metal. Now watch. Wow!